Hello, my name is Cosmos and I would like to show you my small creation. I have created this small device here and I called it a controller. Yes, it's a controller because it can control water storage tank. So this will help in solving the problem of tank automation. So I have created this device using basic electronics, transistors, relays, resistors. I'll show you inside this controller, but for now I'd like to show you what it does. So this device has three sensors. One is the low level sensor, two is the high level sensor, and the third is a sensor which checks if there is water in the system. So the three sensors work together. This is how it works. This controller can switch on a pump when water goes below low level and there is water in the system. Otherwise the pump is off. So if water goes below low level and there is no water in the system, the pump will not go on. If water is below low level and there is water in the system, then pump will turn on. So pump will fill the tank until water touches the high level sensor. When water touches the high level sensor, the pump will go off. So let me power this controller here and see actually what it does. So this is it. When it is powered, there is a faint red LED showing that the device is powered. So there is three LED here. One is a red showing that the water is below low level. There is a yellow here showing that there is water in the system, and there is a green here showing that the pump is running. So all these two is off, but you can see a yellow here showing that there is water in the system. This is true because this sensor here is inside water. So when it comes in contact with water, it switches on transistors inside the motherboard. I'll show you, showing that there is water in the system. So for now it's outside water, it's not in contact with water, so it shows that there is no water in the system. That's why yellow is off. If I put it in the water, you see yellow turns on. There is water. There is no water. There is water. So it's like that. Now let's go to the high level and low level sensor. So you see the high level and the low levels is inside water, so it means that the water is above high level sensor, so the red is off. So if I bring this sensor up like this, you see now high level sensor is not in contact with water. If I bring it further up, you see now low level sensor is above water level, meaning that the water is below low level sensor. If the water is below low level sensor, the red LED will turn on, showing that the water is below low level sensor. Then as you can see, green is on, showing that the pump is running. That's true because the water is below low level sensor and there is water in the system, because this is inside the water. If I remove this one, pump will go off because there is no water in the system. So the condition is for pump to turn on, the water must be below low level and there must be water in the system. You see, Now the pump is on, meaning that it's it's pumping water into the pump. So water will the level will rise until it touches the high level sensor. So when water touches the high level sensor, what the controller will do will turn off the pump. So you'll see the green LED will go off. Now let's see. If all of them is off, meaning that the tank is full, pump is off, red water is not below low level. So you may wonder how this small device here can turn on a pump, a single phase pump or a 3-phase pump. Yes, it will turn on because this controller here will turn on a contactor, and then contactor will now turn on the 3-phase motor or a single phase motor. So this controller here has an output of 240 volts. Yes, 240 volts is enough to turn on a contactor. Now let me turn the pump on and see from my multimeter. You see, when the pump is on, what you see here is 240 volts. This is enough to turn on a contactor. If it is off, current goes off, I mean voltage goes off. Contactor on, pump on. Contactor off, pump off. So that is it. So there's now let's go inside the control and see what inside. So let me switch it off first. So it has several wires. This one is the power in, this one goes to the contactor, this is the high level, this is the low level, and this is the sensor for checking if there is water in the system. So I've not closed it completely. This is how it looks. So as I've told you that there is no flow switch. This is purely electronics. So as you can see, a lot of relays, a lot of transistors, capacitors, resistors, voltage regulator. This adapter here, I use this adapter for 12 volts to power the LEDs and some relays. Here I have a 12 volt step down transformer. So it's like that. Please like my video.